afternoon and welcome everyone to Youth for Jesus Influence Your Generation. You know, our theme today is inspired by 1 Timothy 4:16. Truly speaks volume. Grabe kaayo ni ka-powerful na verse. Okay? Don't let anyone look down on you because you are young. But set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. This is not just an old scripture. It is a living and breathtaking challenges for every single one of us, especially our young people. Para ni sa atong mga kabatanunan o para ni sa atong tanan. Okay? Para mas masabtan nato ni let's break it down in a bit, no? Para mas klaro sa ato kung unsay paabot kasabot ani nga verse. Okay? So first statement, don't let anyone look down on you because you are young. In ancient times, even sometimes today, you can be seen as a disadvantage. In times of inexperience and immaturity, mura bang ay bata pa kaayo ka anak. But this verse flips the idea on its head. It tells us that age is not a barrier or to impact or respect. No? Dili babag ang imong edad para maka-influensya ka. It's direct encouragement to rise above and any dismissive and attitudes. No? Dili babag para magpalupit ka. Next statement, but set an example that believes for the believers rather. This is the core of it. No? Instead of being defined by your age, you are called to define what it means to be a believer. Ikaw mismo ang magpakita unsay buot ipasabot pagkatinuod na sumusunod ni Kristo. You're called to be a living, walking illustrations of faith for everyone. Not just other young people, but for your adults, for your family, for your community, no? Dili lang sa kaedad nimo,